So we just discovered that Mowgli is horrified of the vacuum cleaner. Sam seems to like it, which is kind of odd. Sam, what are you doing with the vacuum cleaner? He actually came in from outside, from in the backyard, when he heard the sound of the vacuum cleaner. Mowgli, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, Mowgli. Seriously. I wish you weren't so afraid.
Alright, Sam, stop. That's enough. Good boy. Is that fun? You like that, huh? Okay, a little more. Easy. Okay, go ahead.
It must feel good. I don't know.
Okay, that's enough. I gotta work now. That's enough. No more. Go lay down in your bed. Sam.
Good boy, Mowgli.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in your tent.
go in your tent.
Good boy. Samson, lay down in your bed. Good.
There
Stay.
we go.
Everybody
All
stay.
right.
Big stay. Good boy. Stay there. It's a crazy, crazy house.
That's for sure.
Stay there, Mowgli. You're okay. I won't go near you. Good boy, Mowgli.
There you go.
Good boy.